Today we're going to be looking at how multiplication is the same as adding lots of times, adding our groups together. So for today's activity, you will need at least 36 pieces of Lego to build some towers and some dice. If you don't have 2 dice, you can always just roll 1 dice twice, or you can get some cards out and just use the numbers 1 to 6, or you could even write the numbers 1 to 6 on pieces of paper and just randomly pluck them out. So today we'll be rolling our dice 2 times to get our groups of. The first time we roll the dice, it's going to tell me how many groups we need. So I've rolled a 4, so I'm going to need 4 groups of, and then I'm going to roll my second dice to see how many in each group. And I've rolled a 6, so I need 4 groups of 6. The next thing I'm going to do is build my groups of 6 out of my Lego blocks or towers, however you want to build them. So if you don't have Lego, you can use anything else that you've got in your house that you can build with. So there is 1 tower of 6. That one's got a sword stuck in it and a bit on the top. 2 towers of 6. Three towers of 6. And 4 towers of 6. So now to work out how many Lego blocks I've got together, I'm going to add what's in each group. So I know that each group has got 6, so I need to add 6, 6, 6, and 6. Well, I know if I add the first 2 groups together, that's 6 and 6. Well, I know 6 and 6 because that's a double, so that would be 12. And then I've got 6 more. So I need to go 6, 12 plus 6 more. I can use counting on for that. So I can go 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And then I've got 6 more in this group. So we can go 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So 4 groups with 6 in each group equals 24. And then I'm going to have another go with my Lego. Break it all apart. And have another go. Exactly the same sheet. I've just this time got circles instead of squares. So I'm going to roll my first dice, and that's going to tell how many groups I need. This time I need 5 groups. And my second dice is going to tell me how many in each group. 5 groups of 2. Take my Lego. 1 group of 2, 2 groups of 2, 3 groups of 2, 4 groups of 2, and 5 groups of 2. So I know that there is 2 in this group, 2 in this group, 2 in this group, 2 in this group, and 2 in this group. And now I just need to add them together. So 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8, and 8 plus 2 is 10. So I can write it out as 5 groups of 2 equals 10, but I could also write it out as the addition, which is 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 10. So if I'm using addition to work out my multiplication, I just need to add each of the groups together. So your task today is to grab your Lego, grab your dice and have a go. I have added this sheet if you would like to print it out, or otherwise you could just draw it up in your book. Don't forget to take some photos for me and upload them to Seesaw so I can see what a fabulous job you have done today. If you feel like you need a bit more of a challenge after you've done this, you could always use a deck of cards to select your numbers, because then you're going to get higher numbers like 6, 7, 8, right up to 13. So have fun, and I can't wait to see how you go.